Is it too early in the morning to have a lampshade on my head? Alright, so we have a lamp that we need to modify. Say hi, Thunder. Say hello. Who's a good kitty? Yeah, you's a good kitty. So, here's the lampshade. This is what we're working with. And because this is my little passageway to my side of the bed here, well, I can't have a full lampshade there, else it'll stick out to here. Make walking by a little interesting. Middle of the night, that's not going to work. So the half lampshade is going to fit here. So yesterday, my wife and I, we took that and we chopped off the bits that we needed to. Very easy. And then we tested, thanks to Laura Comp's video, she did the MacGyver lamp and gave us a great idea. We have this bag from Foodland, which is an awesome little grocery store in Hawaii. And we saved the bag because we saved the bag. So we're deciding we're going to make it into a lampshade thanks to Laura's inspiration. So we did some tests yesterday with some epoxy, antique matte Mod Podge, matte Mod Podge, and then just PVA glue. For actual adhering to the surface, the PVA glue seemed to do the best job. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bag here, fit it to the lampshade, and affix it with PVA glue, and then we're going to see if we want to do the epoxy afterwards for the shiny look, or to just leave it as is. So, there we go.
May I try a thing?
Yeah.
Can we stick it in the bag?
Sure. We're putting it in the bag to see how much of the bag we need to take off to put on the lampshade thing.
You need people of intelligence on this sort of mission. Quest. Thing.
Like this. We're going for it.
Right?
There's no going back.
Later.
Start pulling these off.
The next day.
Let's see how that lampshade held up with the epoxy overnight. That looks super cool. Oh, now we gotta go see how this looks in place. Alright, here it goes. looks awesome.
Dude.